Everyone, I am Vishwat. Today I'll be telling the norms to be followed to prevent COVID 19. Do's and don'ts for coronavirus. Do's: maintain social distance. Don'ts: do not meet people who have the symptoms of coronavirus. Do's: maintain respiratory hygiene. Don'ts: do not sneeze, cough without maintaining respiratory hygiene. Do's: wear, wear a mask, shield, and carry a sanitizer while going out. Don'ts: do not meet people who do not wear a mask or shield. Do's: after going out, sanitize the products that you brought and sanitize the products that you carried while going out. Don'ts: do not touch anything when you go out and come back. Only touch after you sanitize the things. Precautions to be taken: wash your hands when you go out and come back. Also wash your hands even when you're in home. Don't go out if it only go out if it is urgent. Don't shake your hands, instead wave your hands. When you go out, sanitize your hands every 2 minutes. Maintain social distance, avoid close contact with each other. Maintain respiratory hygiene, avoid people who have the symptoms of coronavirus. Eat healthy food to avoid coronavirus. If you go out, make sure to wear a mask, shield, and carry a sanitizer if needed. If you go out, listen to the police and doctors, do not argue with them. If you have the symptoms of coronavirus, immediately visit a doctor and do not meet anyone. What are the variants of COVID 19? Wave 1: it affected senior citizens. Wave 2: it is affecting adults. Wave 3: it is predicted that it will affect the children the most. Other variations of COVID 19: Alpha, UK; Delta, India; Gamma, Brazil; Beta, South Africa. What so? What is a vaccine? Product that simulates a person's immune system to produce immunity to a specific disease, protecting the person from that disease. Vaccines are usually administered through needle injections, but also administered through mouth or sprayed into the nose. So, right now, there's a vaccine for 10-year-old children, that is the flu vaccine, and it's not the vaccine for coronavirus. So, what is the vaccine for COVID 19? India has so far given more than 250 million doses of vaccines in India. That is Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik V. It also gave approval to Indian pharma company Kipla on Tuesday to import modern vaccine, which has shown nearly 95% efficacy against COVID-19. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that many people could know more about COVID and its variants and its vaccine, etc. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.